Now that the truth is hard to face, I can forget you once were mine. Someone else is in my place. Whenever we meet, my heart beats out of time. Just a little bit of grief clouds my eyes to what I see. And just a little bit of grief when I see you with someone new, and knowing that there's nothing I can do.